Welcome to Bilingual Investing, Breaking Investing Barriers. Jay here with you guys today. Today's video topic is about how to change your life with cryptocurrency. How is that so, Jay? How can I change my life? Man, cryptocurrency has certainly changed my life. One of the mistakes that most new cryptocurrency investors make is that, they come into cryptocurrency thinking, man, I need to get rich. I need that money. I need that bag. I'm here for the money. I'm here for SHIB, Dogecoin, the pumps, yeah, XRP, the scam, it's pumping. I want some of that. I need to become rich immediately, quick, and all this, that, and the no. Really, what they need to focus on is the fact that cryptocurrency can definitely help change their lives in so many different ways. It's not necessarily about, becoming rich, it's about the journey, and changing your life for the good and for the better. So I'll definitely describe, how cryptocurrency, can change your life. So let's actually review that. So today what we're going to discuss is invest early, have patience, and you guys need to recognize that success takes time. So that's very important. Then it's cryptocurrency teaches you about yourself. Education is life. I've learned so much about myself, me as a person, my qualities, and just things that I've had to develop, to be able to survive in this cryptocurrency space. And then number three would be grow your money, take profits, and enjoy a decentralized life. So let's start with number one. So let's go ahead and review the investment pointers here. Never quit, stay consistent. Become a better version of yourself every single day. Learn from your mistakes, and time will fix everything. Take the wins, take the losses. It's about, the mindset, the mental fortitude. You need to understand you don't win all the time, but you got to make sure you win more than you lose. So it'll all become experience one way or another. Become an investor for the long term, not a trader for the short term. And we're going to discuss that with a chart, after I'm finished with this slide. So bear markets can create true generational wealth. Invest early. Make sure you, invest early, come at the right time in the sense of, come in a bear market. Don't come, when everyone else comes to the market. So before the masses or the herd comes into the markets. When everyone else quits, you invest. You stay. You stay strong. You learn, you get better, you invest, you reap the rewards, when the next part of the cycle comes. When everyone else comes to buy, into the markets, that's when you sell. When the hype is here, you've already been here for a year or two or a couple of years, and that's where when you take advantage of that situation. Um, so true success takes time. Focus on the journey. The results will happen regardless. And life and investment success is all about taking calculated risks and maximizing, opportunities. So again, guys, when we come over here, we discuss time. Success takes time. If you see here, let's say you invested down here in the thick and thin of a bear market, and that's a great time to invest. That's in what, early 2019. For you to wait for that top of the next cycle, we're talking about 2021 and even, yeah, 2021. So here's early 2019. So you have to wait for the rest of 2019. So from 2019 to 2020, that's 1 year. From 2020 to 2021, that's 2 years. And then it was more, in the later part of 2022 where, we had that double top. So, anywhere from 2 to 2.5 years, that's time, man. If you come in one day and you think in a week or in a month or in a couple of months or even in a year, you're going to get to ride this bull market. No, usually it takes time. Success takes time. And then become an investor for the long term and not a trader for the short term is the same thing. You don't want to come in, get in here, and then sell right here, and then get right back in here, and then sell here, and then you miss this move, so you're gonna end up buying here. Again when you sold back. No, no, no. You want to become an investor. An investor identifies the major opportunities in this next bear cycle, the major opportunities to buy and then to sell up here, and to sell up here. It's all about becoming an investor rather than a trader for most people. So I wanted to make sure I covered that. So guys, again, if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you guys like this video, sub to our YouTube channel. We would gladly appreciate it. So continuing on, cryptocurrency teaches you about yourself. Education is life. Not all investors have the same investment experience, but most go down a similar path. We're all humans, and as such, we have similar human behaviors. We are all chasing success in life, and crypto educates you on developing patience, vision, and emotional control. A surprising part of investing into cryptocurrency is the fact that throughout your investment journey, you will learn a lot about who you truly are as an investor and the qualities that you have as a person. The most notable of these qualities will probably be how powerless we tend to be when it comes to controlling our emotions and how learning to do so can positively impact our investment decisions. The experiences you go through when either making or losing money, the similar minded people that you find along the way, the social network communities filled with like minded people all striving for the same future is simply incredible and will cause you to learn things about yourself that you never even knew. If you educate yourself constantly, you will eventually put yourself in a position where you'll end up becoming the best version or the version of yourself needed in order to survive and thrive in the cryptocurrency investment space. So, again, that slide was all about education, guys. This is very important for you to know where to go, where you can educate yourself and just receive that quality education to learn about the space, to avoid losing your hard earned money. So, again, what we do here, bilingual investing, Jay here, what I do is provide you with this beautiful playlist, in our channel where, you get free educational videos, where you can come in and learn about technical analysis, learn about the top exchanges, learn about fundamental analysis. You get to learn so many different things about global inflation and recession, just so many different parts of cryptocurrency, like, the fear and greed index, those little things that most people don't pay attention to. That's what we're here for, to make sure that we provide that quality educational content to you guys. So educate yourselves. You guys need to be ahead of the game. Grow your money, take profits, enjoy a decentralized life. In my humble opinion, cryptocurrency for the foreseeable future, shorter term future, about 2 to 3 year time frame, will be and is the best wealth generating vehicle out there right now. With great risks comes great reward, and right now there's endless opportunities in this bear market. The possible returns are just mind boggling, guys, and it is our responsibility to ensure that we take the proper calculated risks while organically growing our money throughout the passing of time. If and when our money grows, then it is our responsibility to make sure that as successful investors, we take profits and realize such gains. Money for Money has for long been the energy that fuels human life, is obvious. So decentralizing your dependence away from the centralized system starts with financial freedom. Very important, guys. Without the freedom of money, a person ends up essentially becoming a slave to the system, and we don't want that for us, for our parents, or for our kids, or anyone close to us. So make sure that you learn, so that then you can try and educate those close to you as well, and those that you want to help. So life changing money can be made if the proper actions are taken during a bear market. So before we get to that, make sure you guys follow. You have to find someone that knows and is educated what you want to learn, and that's what we're here for. So make sure you guys follow us, in our Twitter. We would gladly appreciate it. And again, so how do you make life changing money, Jay? Follow people that you look up to within the investment realm. That's why I put our Twitter. Twitter is that crypto Twitter is that place where you want to be at, with regards to cryptocurrency. I know a lot of people don't use Twitter, like before, and things of that nature. But with regards to cryptocurrency, that's the spot and where you want to be. So make sure you guys follow us there for great quality crypto content. Make sure you have an investment strategy, down the line. We're in the lab, trying to create an investment strategy for those interested. So stay tuned for that. Again, invest early. You want to hodl through the ups and downs. And bear markets are for safe investments. Bull markets are for the more speculative investments. With that in mind, minimize risk by investing into the top proven coins. Invest for the long term. Patience is the key to success. And that's what I want you guys to take away from this video. But again, guys, just analyzing Bitcoin returns. Look, in 2018, when there was a bear market, there was a negative, 72.6 return. But then percent return, but then 2019 positive, 2020 300%, 2021 57%. So now in 2022 is going to be negative because we're in a bear market. So it's similar like investing in 2018, and then the couple of years after that, what do we expect? That growth, as we can see in percentages here in the chart. You want to invest down here and take advantage of that massive growth, guys. So again, guys, if you enjoyed this content, bilingual investing, Jay here with you guys today. Make sure you guys swing by our website and our social networks. We can take a brief look here in the description down below. You'll find the link to our website where you can find tools and resources that you would need, in your cryptocurrency investment journey. This content is not official financial advice, was created exclusively for educational purposes. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.